past, automation and use of robots and cobots was affordable only for large companies like automotive and aerospace industry. For micro and small business, it was impossible because of high cost. Today, the spread of technology has allowed small and medium-sized enterprises to develop new ideas as well.
Ennedi workmanship is grinding the hidden corners of the steps. This job is subject to different risks. Environmental safety, presence of chemicals, dust, fumes. Workers had traumatic injuries, accidents, ailments and disease causes of aggravated by work, uncomfortable work position, strenuous rhythms, noise and vibrations.
Plumake is willing to offer a more comfortable way of working without completely changing the peculiarity of its sector. This technology is designed to help and enhance the workers' quality of life. In fact, the machine is smaller, flexible and easy to use with respect to the competitors.
Sharpie machine is the symbol of the sustainable collaboration between human and robot.